Hello viewers, this is Lorena Khatri. Now I'm going to tell you the function of the heart. So this is the right atrium and this is the right ventricle. This is called left atrium and left ventricle. These are four chambers of the human heart. Just a minute. So look here. This is right atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left ventricle, this is left atrium and this is left ventricle. So here these veins are called vena cava. So the blood of lower body will come from here and the blood of our upper body will come from here in the right atrium. Well, the function of right atrium or the atrium is to receive the blood, and the function of ventricle is to pump the blood. So you can see there is a wall here, and when our heart expands like this, because we know our heart, when our heart expands, so this wall will open, and when this wall will open, then the blood of atrium will come in the ventricle, and then the wall will close. And when it will close, so from here, from these arteries are kind of veins, but they are long and elastic. So from these arteries, from here and from here, the blood will go in our lungs, and in the lungs, in via the lungs, in the lungs, it will leave the carbon dioxide, and when we exhale the carbon dioxide from our nose, and then from that lungs, the arteries will carry the oxygenated blood in the atrium and then in ventricle. So first of all, blood will come from in right atrium, and when our heart expands, this wall will open, and when this wall will open, the blood will go in the ventricle, and when our heart contracts, this wall will close, and then through this aorta, our blood will go in our all body parts. So this is also one more picture. This is atrium and this is ventricle. This is atrium, this is ventricle. Suppose here our body, there is our body. So this is the vein, this is deoxygenated blood, and then it will go, first of all it will go in atrium, then it will go in ventricle, then it will pump in our lungs, and from lungs our oxygenated blood will come in atrium, then in ventricle, then it will go in our all body parts, and again this, and again this, and from here again this blood will go in atrium, then in ventricle, then it will go in lungs, and then it will take oxygenated blood, and then it will go in our body parts. So this process will go on. Thank you so much. My name is Lorena Khatri. I'm a student of 10th class from CSPS. Thank you.